There is a force that is reshaping industry benchmarks. There is a force that is leading the smart manufacturing of a great nation. There is a force that is contributing China's wisdom to global green and low carbon development. This force comes from BOLIDA Group. Those who observe trends are wise, while those who follow them are intelligent. The grand global trend of green and low-carbon development is approaching, and the low-carbon economy is a new process of human civilization progress. Over 20 years ago, BOLIDA Group embarked on the exploration path of the environmental protection industry. Steadily advancing step by step, adhering to the mission of creating a green world with precision manufacturing, from a small-scale production plant to 3 large production bases covering a total area of over 120,000 square meters today. From component manufacturing to overall environmental protection solutions, including multi-source solid waste treatment and comprehensive utilization, biomass energy, and forage processing, it has become a manufacturing service-oriented group enterprise integrating environmental protect project process design, equipment R&D and manufacturing, turnkey projects, and production operation. We deeply cultivate the domestic market, carrying out in-depth strategic cooperation with hundreds of well-known enterprises such as COFCO, Modern Animal Husbandry, and New Hope, and our services cover more than 30 provinces and regions nationwide. We also have a global vision, exporting to over 100 countries in Europe, America, and elsewhere, and receiving high recognition from our partners, acting as a spokesperson for Made in China. Innovation, leading manufacturing in major countries. As the Gazelle Enterprise, the Special and New Enterprise, and the High-Tech Enterprise of Shandong Province, we regard scientific and technological innovation as the first driving force for development. The Engineering Research and Development Center has a scientific research team of nearly 100 people focusing on product development and update iterations. With insight into technology, obtained more than 70 patents, and forged the core advantage of innovation. It has become the first drafter of the National Group Standard of Pellet Machine Fuel and a participant in the formulation of solid waste fuel standards. Create a solid waste resource treatment process experiment area, user site experiment area, and the first set of test projects for foreign users. Extend the power of innovation along the main axis of the product to both ends and meet international industry standards. From the export of environmental pellet fuel of eastern China to the animal feeding of northern Xinjiang, from the recycling of palm shells in Southeast Asia to the cogeneration of heat and power in Europe and matching with waste treatment equipment, we use innovative power to help achieve carbon peaking and carbon neutrality. Let the world have once more cycle and less waste, and use the management concept of the whole product life cycle to watch the global green development. Explosive power, leading the frontier of technology. Technology brings more imagination to humanity and injects powerful, explosive power into BOLIDA's development. We embrace digital technology to upgrade production and services, add wings of technology to the real economy, and lead the manufacturing industry toward intelligent manufacturing. We use digital technology to reshape the production process. With the support of 8 major service systems, data collection and monitoring systems are operated intelligently, materials and workpieces are transported by AGV vehicles, warehouses are automated, and all production data is controlled in real time to achieve batch and standardized production. Leveraging IoT technology, we tailor-make fully automated control systems for users, allowing them to remotely monitor equipment operations and enjoy the convenience of technology. At the same time, we provide first-line big data support for optimizing and iterating group products. Accountability, enhancing service value. We are well aware that as an industry leader, we should create more value for our users. strengthen the spirit of craftsmanship, and internalize it into the attitude of BOLIDA people towards each product. Guided by design process standards and pursuing the value of quality as life, we aim to inject craftsmanship into the intelligent manufacturing of a large country. Strengthen production guarantee and independently develop the first fully automatic flexible pellet machine assembly production line in China. Collaborate with Shandong Energy Research Institute to jointly develop a large-scale drying equipment gantry welding production line. Multiple advanced production lines collaborate efficiently to create a first-class batch production capacity for environmental protection equipment in China. We are leading the way in building an advantageous service system, deeply understanding user needs, developing sustainable solutions for users, continuously transforming, upgrading, and replacing processing equipment, and building an industry community of shared future with users to promote win-win cooperation. The progress of the world is due to the climbing of innovators. The future comes is to rely on the leaders to move forward. BOLIDA will carry forward the past and usher in the future. We will lead the development trend of a low-carbon, environmental protection energy industry, contribute the surging power of Seiko intelligent manufacturing for a bluer sky, a greener forest, and a better life.